We are the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association.
We are the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association.
Business in Pennsylvania.
And business in Pennsylvania is our business.
Attorney General Kathleen Kane has a mounting legal issues, and I think that's an understatement. A grand jury is recommending serious charges, including perjury and obstruction. She's facing a hearing next week, which could result in contempt of court charges. She could end up behind bars as a result of that. Should Kathleen Kane resign?
Well, that's not my decision to make. I'm concerned like every other Pennsylvanian. One of the things I want to do is make government worthy of the trust of its citizens, and I think that's an issue that we have. And I talked about that in the campaign with other issues. And you know, whenever anybody in public service, me included, does something that makes our fellow citizens question the democracy that exists to serve them, I think we all ought to be concerned. So you know, when our treasurer pleads guilty to serious charges, that's a hit on democracy. And if the Attorney General is thought to have done things that compromise her own integrity, that's a problem. We have the court system that seems to be doing a good job of bringing these things to light, and I think I want to let that play out and see where that leads us. But I think we're all right to be concerned.
Yeah, and you are correct, and the governor's not empowered to remove the attorney general, but as the leader of the state, you know, the state and the Commonwealth needs an attorney general that's effective, that doesn't have, and then the question comes in, as these things mount, at what point does it perhaps jeopardize cases? Because if this was on a county level and this was a district attorney that we were talking about, defense attorneys would immediately start, you know, attacking the reputation of the prosecutor. And also, you're the leader of the party as well. So I think they want to know what you have to say about it.
Yeah, when people say that, I think I say that, you know, the leader of the party, Senator Casey, might have something to say about that. But thank you for the compliment. No, this is not about Kathleen Kane. This is not about the Attorney General. This is about our democracy. And anybody, Republican or Democrat, in a row office, in broader office, in the state legislature, anybody that does something that creates question marks in the minds of citizens, that's a problem for all of us. And so I think not as the leader of the party, but as a public servant, this is my business, and I want all of us in public service to behave in a way that we engender that we deserve the trust of the people we serve.